Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove the gear stick gaiter and the chrome trim that is here. We start by removing this plastic here. We press here on the side and lift this blue thing. The gear stick just lifts off. So you press here on the side, one tab here, one tab here. To remove the chrome trim, just press the tabs that are here on the side. Spread them. I removed the chrome just to wrap it in the color of the ornaments that I have previously wrapped. And you put them like this back and should clip in place. To put the gear stick back, you just put it on the lever. Make sure you drop down the blue plastic. Then you clip it from here. Put the plastic back, this one first. And this one, and you're done. This is the end result. So now it's matching other trims that I have them wrapped. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.